I am going to be making chicken biryani today. I have like two ways that I make chicken biryani. This is a different way. Okay, so I will do the saffrons first because I need to let them soak in milk. I'm taking a little pinch like this, and I will just be crushing them. A little pinch, not too much. Okay, my pan is hot. Now I'm just going to be adding my oil. Now I will just grind up some of my spices. My cinnamon. This way nothing goes in waste when I grind them up. 2 bay leaves. These will be used later, so I'm just going to keep them on side. Cardamom and my cloves. Cardamom and cloves. These all will be used later. Okay, my oil is hot, so I'm going to be adding my onions. I like my garlic like this because either way they're going to get soft. Impatient for it. While my onion and garlic frying, I need a tea break. So I'm just going to be making some tea. Some sugar, salt. Stir this up. Some tea, herbal tea, a lot of things going on here. Mint, black tea, cardamom, cloves, cinnamon, a whole lot. It's on medium heat, by the way. Okay, saying it again. It's on medium heat, and I'm going to let it fry like this for a little bit. I got my 3 cups basmati rice. I'm gonna cook myself. I'm going to add water in here. I got all of these seasonings. Look at them: cloves, cardamom, black pepper, cinnamon, bay leaves, and star anise. I'm going to let them here. By the way, this is also in medium heat. Also, I want to add some mint in here because I like the smell of mint on my biryani. When it's infused on rice only though. You see how I keep my seasoning? Nothing in fancy jars. I just collect all the pasta jars and the Chinese soup boxes. This is coriander powder. Cumin powder. A little bit more. And I eyeball too. I'm not going to like, okay, I don't have really, this is a broken spoon, so I'm gonna just make sure like this. Switch around. And that was my turmeric, and now my chili powder. I got my ground up masala here. See? No waste. Nobody going to be picking something out of the food anymore. They're just going to be eating it. It's all the good stuff. Good for your immune system. You're wondering why I'm adding my ginger now? It's because I feel like ginger burns out of smell too quick. So I like the smell of fresh ginger. Add a little bit of water and let it cook. I'm just going to put the heat up a little bit more. I will be cutting more onions so I can fry them separately. Nothing perfect, just chop them. By the way, my rice is done. This is partially cooked. It's done. Let me turn this off. Wait, wrong one. Turn this off. This one is done. Now I'm just going to be frying the onions. Be frying the onions till they're brown. A little bit less than brown, more like dark golden. A bronzer color, basically. You see, this is how you want your onions. Now this is going to be sitting on side for now. I know this is what you're going to be doing. Lay your rice, and then it's going to be layers of chicken. Okay, my chicken again. I'm going to add them in corners because I want you guys to see how good it looks with the saffron milk. Okay, watch this. The color does come out. You might not see it now, but it does come out. Some rose water. Yo, don't be ODing. When y'all use this, don't be ODing like crackhead. Actually alcoholic, because this is just for scent. Yeah, I got to be real careful with this because these things is powerful smelling. That's enough. Literally, that's enough. Stick some chilies. And then we add these. Spread them out now. Now what I'm going to be doing is popping it in the oven. Okay, you know what? I have to take one of the rack on the lower section. Hold on. Okay, now it's good. I just lowered the racks. Okay, that should be good. Let it sit there for a while. Look at this, baby. Let me fluff it a little bit. Look at this.